To add a contact in Easy Property Dealer app, first go to the contacts, open the contact form by clicking add new contact. You can add contact in two ways. Click choose from mobile contact to add contact, allow your contact permissions. You will see your mobile contacts. Press the add button next to the contact. Your contact has been added. Fill out the contact form with the add new contact button to add a new contact. Enter name and phone number. Press the save button. You have added a contact. This contact will also be saved in your app as well as on your mobile contact. To change a contact information, click on the three dot icon next to the contacts. Press the edit button. From here, you can add any contact information or you can change the old information. You can make any contact a dealer or investor by clicking on more details. Update the contact by pressing the update button. You see investor written with the contact tile. Now if we go to the investors tab, this contact will appear here. Alternatively, you can go to the contacts details and change the contact with the edit button created here. You can write address details here in this field. Press the update button. Inside the details, you will see below and more information that you have entered. When editing a contact, the information you enter will display on the contact details page. For example, if I write and update a website in the field of website, then you can see that website on the contact details page. You can also delete this contact with the delete icon below. So when you press the delete button, we will see all the properties, deals or reminders related to this contact. Deleting a contact also delete related properties, deals and reminders. If you want to open the properties related to the contact, then click on the properties button. Here will open all the properties of this contact in front of you. If you want to delete this contact and everything related to this contact, press the delete everything button and the delete button will delete all the properties related to your contact. Another way to delete this contact is to press the three dot icon button in the contact tile and press the delete.